Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove Google account from laptop. So if you also want to remove Google account from laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select a profile to continue. So if you want to remove Google account from laptop, it is very simple. All you have to do is identify the profile that you want to remove. Here you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see two options, edit and delete. All you have to do is click on the delete option. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Deleting your profile will permanently delete your browsing history from this device. If you want to recover the data, you'll have to turn on the sync. Here you'll be able to see several informations. You can see the information for browsing history, sign-in methods, bookmarks, autofill data. All this data will be deleted from your device. So if you want to continue deleting this profile, all you have to do is click on the delete option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here that Google account has been removed from the laptop. If you want to add the Google account again, simply click on the add option that you can see right over here. So that is how you remove Google account from laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.